Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.